Hello, I'm Eric Hanley, an automation specialist with ES&E. In this video segment, we will review the newest Rockwell communications software called FactoryTalk Linx. FactoryTalk Linx has multiple functions and software options that encompass and replace several software packages previously needed. Before we jump into the software, ES&E offers online training through YouTube. Please like and subscribe to the ES&E TV YouTube channel for how-to applications and other automation content. FactoryTalk Linx evolved from the old software called RSLinx Enterprise. Enterprise was the software that was utilized by FactoryTalk View Studio as well as the administration console. FT-Linx was released in 2018 and it replaced Enterprise starting with FT View Studio version 10. And it was offered as an alternate communication platform for Studio 5000 starting with version 31. As of Studio version 33, RSLinx Classic will no longer be installed and it will be replaced by FT-Linx. FactoryTalk Linx Network Browser is the application name that allows it to run as a standalone application on your computer, and it configures very similar to RSLinx Classic. RSLinx will still be required for older communication protocols such as DeviceNet and Data Highway Plus. FT-Linx reduces the number of steps and the time to set up the network drivers, plus it works faster than RSLinx to allow faster download times over Wi-Fi or VPN connections. FT-Linx still supports USB and RS-232-DF1 serial communications, but will primarily be focused on Ethernet networks. FT-Linx uses one driver for all configurations, and the new software provides a better overall user interface for usability and topology searching. When configuring the Ethernet driver, you can set it up as broadcast, which is the equivalent of the Ethernet IP driver in RSLinx, or you can set it up using device list, which is the equivalent of the Ethernet devices. This merges the two previously required drivers. We will open up FactoryTalk Linx and quickly show the driver configuration. We will start by selecting Add New Driver button, picking Device List from the Discovery method, then selecting OK. Another great feature added is the ability to copy from an Excel spreadsheet directly into the driver when using Device List. To do that, you simply need to highlight the IP addresses in Excel, select Ctrl-C, then press the Paste button that's on the right side of the driver configuration window. Inside the device list, you have the expanded capability of using the IP address and the description for searching, the DHCP device name, or a range of IP addresses. An example for range would be to type in 192.168.1.10-100. That would then search all the addresses in that range, and the driver will show the number of addresses being searched in parentheses next to the range. Now we will select Apply and press OK to close our driver configuration. The application also shows a network path and allows you to search for an IP, description, device name, or part number using the new search bar. There is also a settings page to configure the application. Two key features that you want to enable are automatic discovery and device configuration. FactoryTalk Linx has also added a feature for auto EDS or electronic datasheet uploads. Now, when you plug in a new device that you have not previously talked to, it will connect to the device and pull the device characteristics automatically. This speeds up the process when attempting to set up new equipment. The features and functions of FT-Linx has progressed to allow device configuration, which used to be a feature of RSLinx Classic only. Sometimes they develop new licensing to add additional features, similar to RSLinx OEM. FT-Linx has grown to incorporate FactoryTalk Linx Data Bridge, FactoryTalk Linx Gateway, and FactoryTalk Linx OPC UA connector. Even with FactoryTalk Linx taking on all these additional features, the root benefit is a better and faster communications platform that is utilized by all Rockwell software. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact your local ES&E account manager or automation specialist.